the second camera. Pormido, whatever. I'm gonna open now the box. The first one, the rear camera didn't work. Now, we're gonna do the second one. That's in the second one. So let's open that one, see what we got here. Okay, that's a Pormido, supposed to be D50. Okay, so we got this protection right here on the top, and that's one is a mirror dash camera. We're gonna put it right here. So, and we got all of these cables here. That's the rear camera. That's the GPS. That's the charger cable. Okay, this one is, I don't know, it's like room camera. Yeah, and that's the front camera, I think so, yeah. That's the front camera. And that's what's the rear camera. Okay, that's all we got, and that's just like connection for all the three cameras right here, and that's the connection for front camera. Okay, we're gonna do this one like this, and okay, that's for rear. This is for front camera. Okay, these are strippers right here to connect the, which you call like mirror. And this one is, I think it's a disc. Yeah. 32 gig. Okay. We're not gonna put 32 gig because I think I have 120. Yes, 128 gig. I got right here when I purchased the first time. Okay, so let's install this one first. Okay, we installed that. We're gonna install these things right here. Right here. So, and we're gonna bad strips too short. is on. And the next one is okay. That's the both are in now. Okay. So let's do like this now. Okay, this is front camera. Where we gonna have the front camera? That's the front camera. Front camera is right here. We're gonna do right there. Yes. And just we're gonna leave right here in the front. We don't need to install. We need first to look like everything is working. Okay. The second is this one is the charger. And we got the charger and we got the two strippers too. Wow. Okay, we're gonna leave this right here. We're gonna do the charger first. We don't need to install. We just need to see if the rear camera working. Okay. So that's the charger. Okay. We're not gonna make connection. We're just gonna put it right here. Where is it? Okay. So this one is right here. The power. But we're not gonna power now. This one is these cameras, whatever, connection camera. The GPS, okay, we're gonna just hook up GPS, but we don't need to install it right away. We just need to hook up right here. That's not my first time I connect these cameras. I mean, like dash camera. We're gonna just leave right here, and we're gonna install this right here. Okay. So we got all of these connections right here. We're just gonna put like on the side a little bit. Okay. Next one is the rear camera. That's that. Yeah, it's connection for rear camera. So we're not gonna install nothing right now. We're just gonna connect a little bit just to see if the rear camera working. That's the rear camera. Wow. Okay, we got the rear camera right here. Okay, with accessory, whatever. Later on we can do that. But we just need rear camera. Okay. That's the rear camera. We're gonna connect it right here. It's only way they're gonna go in. It's this way. Okay, rear camera, we're gonna leave right here. Just in case. And connection the rear camera, front room, rear camera. Rear camera is only one way to get connected. It's only like that. Okay, rear camera is installed. Okay, now the GPS is installed. Let's do that. These was like front camera. Front camera is this one right here. Okay, front camera is installed. So we're gonna do like now inside camera. Okay, that's inside camera. This one is inside camera. Okay, we're gonna install inside camera right here. I mean, like, that's a room camera. I'm sorry, a room camera. Okay, we got only one way to connect. Okay, these are all the camera is installed. I mean, connected. We're just gonna leave this room camera right here, the rear camera right here, and this one is the front camera. So everything, it looks like everything is straight now. Let me check one more time. Everything is connected. So everything is connected. We're gonna take this out. Yes. Right here. Okay. So let's do like this now. That's the last one, is to connect the power. So the power is connected. It's Pormido right now. I don't know, you're gonna see that one. Okay, keys automatic connector will be abnormal. It's the same thing would have happened like on the last time. That's one. It's a front camera. Well, we can just connect it like that. That's the front camera. Yeah, the front camera. Let's see the inside camera. Okay. That's the inside camera. No rear camera. The GPS is right here, no rear camera. Let's see, like, okay, a loop. Okay, we're gonna do like 3 minutes loop. Recorder. Okay, that's the off, on. Okay, let me see, where is the mirror front camera. On. Rear camera is on. Everything is on. On. Okay, let's do it all. English, whatever. Parking monitor, whatever. We can do it later on. That. Okay. We format is processing. Format is the card complete. Okay. So I don't know what is going to be a problem. Like every time the second camera, a rear camera doesn't work. Even the rear camera is connected. Yeah, the rear camera. The rear camera is connected with the rear cable. Everything is straight on. Everything is connected very good. Why is this problem? I don't know. So try to help me please if someone knows about this problem. Thank you.